currently going viral right now just by posting AI baby dancing videos. Some are even using this to build their followers on social media. And if you stand to the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can create these AI baby videos without showing your face using any device, either your smartphone or your laptop. So you want to subscribe to the channel, watch this video to the very end, and of course, let us begin. Now guys, to show you how viral these AI baby dancing videos are going, I want to analyze some pages on TikTok. Now I want you to check out this page, Groove Baby TV. Now this page was created on the last day of 2025, which was 31st, and if you actually check out their followers, they have over 175,000 followers, less than 2 weeks. This is crazy. Now I want us to check out this page, Hey Dancer AI. Now this page was created 5 days ago. Currently, guys, they have over 42,000 followers. Now, their second video did 375,000 views. Their fourth video did 1.1 million views. I want to check out these numbers. Another of their video did 4.1 million views on TikTok just by posting AI baby dancing videos. People are actually using this to grow their social media following. Now, I also want to show you another page to show you that, yes, this is actually crazy. This person right here started 4 days ago. And currently, guess how many followers? 43,000 followers as of the moment. And if you should stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can create this AI baby dancing videos. Not only that, how you can monetize it easily, right? So make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you're not going to miss out on any of my content I upload on my YouTube channel. And without any further ado, let's proceed into this tutorial. Now the very first step when it comes to creating AI baby dancing videos is we need to look for a video that we want to create a dance of or we want to mimic. Now I'm going to come over to TikTok right here. Now as I'm on TikTok, I'm going to click on the search bar. Now in the search bar, guys, I'm actually going to search for my favorite dancer on TikTok. You have your own favorite dancer, you can search for them, right? So I'm gonna, let's say Purple Speedy, right? Let me search for her. She's a Nigerian dancer, right? So I'm just gonna click on her page right here. And guys, if I want to create any dancing video for her, all I have to do is just to look for one. So let me say I want to recreate this one of her dancing currently right here. This one of her dancing. So guys, you can actually hear the audio because of copyright issues, right? So this is the video I want to mimic. I want to create an AI baby dancing like this exactly. So once I've identified my video, I'm going to wait. So this is the very important step to take. You need to identify your video. Now after identifying your video, then the next thing I want us to do right now is to actually create our AI baby character. Now for us to create an AI baby character, we can come over to ChatGPT. Now let's come over to ChatGPT. All we have to do right now is tell ChatGPT to give us a prompt to create this AI baby character for our video, and this prompt needs to be detailed so we can actually get a very fine character. But what I'm going to do right here is, guys, I'm going to come back to TikTok. So guys, I'm going to screenshot her picture right here because I want to get something similar like her, so even when people see the video they can identify, oh yes, it's this celebrity that is dancing. You know, it actually helps the video still go more viral. So let me just crop this out well so it's actually going to look more sharper. All right, so once I'm done with cropping this, I'm going to come over to ChatGPT and I'm going to upload the image there. So currently, guys, I told ChatGPT I wanted to give me a prompt to create a 3D version of this human being I uploaded. It should look like her and also have her features, right? A 3D character, a 3D animation character. If you want your AI baby to look like a human being in your prompt, just specify human being, but I want it to look animation, right? I'm going to click on enter and of course wait for ChatGPT to give us a very, very nice prompt. So ChatGPT is currently writing a prompt right here, so check it out. So this is everything here. So once ChatGPT has given me this prompt, all I have to do right now is to head over to Grok AI. Now once I'm on Grok AI, all I have to do is to make sure that I'm signed up. Then I'm going to click on this create image right here. Now we want to make sure that this ratio is in 9.16 aspect ratio. Then this place you say type to imagine, click on enter and paste in your prompt and just enter. And of course Grok AI is going to create the image, so you just have to be patient. Right, so Grok AI is going to create the image for us. Now guys, take a look at what Grok AI actually generated for us. It looks really nice, first off. So I'm just going to click on this one. I think I like this one better. All I have to do right now is to save this image to my device. Now, after saving this image, let's turn this character to a dancing video. So all we have to do is head back to TikTok and copy or download your favorite creator videos. So let me just download her video right here. I'm going to copy the link, then I'm going to go over to TikTok online downloader to make sure to download without any watermark, right? So I'm just going to click on the second tool, pasting my link here and click on download. So I've been able to download the creator's video. So the next step for us to do to turn this into a dancing video, all we have to do is head over to Kling AI. Now once you're on Kling AI, you want to click on experience now, so we can log into the platform. So once we're in the interface of Kling AI, all we have to do is navigate to the video section. Now once we navigate to the video section, now under the video section, you're going to see text to video, image to video, motion control, elements. So all you have to do right now is to click on motion control. And if you actually check it out right here, you can see that I've done some projects here. So all I have to do right now is to add in the video of the character actions to mimic, which is the dancing video. I'm going to add the dancing video right here. So once I add the dancing video, now I want to add my AI character that actually wants it to recreate the dance. So I'm just going to also import the image of my AI character that I actually downloaded right here. So you can see that this is the dancing video right here. This is also the character. So all I have to do right now is to hit generate. So it's actually going to charge me some coins. I have 829 coins here because of I subscribed for the standard plan. So this is the one I'm going to click on generate. And of course, wait for Kling AI to do its job, which is currently doing right here. You can see it's generating estimated waiting time 12 minutes. So we actually have to be patient to wait and let us see what it has in stock for us. Now guys, I want us to check out our results. So let me play this video right here so you actually listen to it. You might not be able to hear any song because of copyright issue. So I just want us to look at our body movements and how everything is done. So just let me click on play. So check it out. You see how she got like this AI tool is so advanced, like everything, the body movements, the lip sync, everything is on point. Check it out. She even looks like her in the video here. Wow, 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 wow. So if you want to monetize these videos, you want to post them on your YouTube channel. If you use copyrighted songs like popular music, you might not be able to monetize this content. But there's another way where you can actually create your own music from scratch. Now, once you create your own music from scratch, you can add it to the video and you can easily post it without any copyright issue, and you can be able to monetize from there. So if you want to create your own music from scratch, all you have to do is to head over to Suno AI. Now, once you're Suno AI right here, guys, you can create tons of songs. All you have to do is navigate to this create button right here. Now, once you click on create, all you have to do is to put in the lyrics of your song. And you can just head over to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to write an Afrobeat song for us with chorus. Let's say, for example, you want to rap, any style of music or any genre of music, you can create it literally right here on Suno, right? So let me just come over to ChatGPT right here. Now, so on ChatGPT, I'm going to tell ChatGPT, I want you to write an Afrobeat music with chorus that is original. So ChatGPT is going to write an Afrobeat music for us with chorus, and we're going to use Suno AI to create the music. Then we can add it to these videos we created right here on Kling AI, and of course we can easily post it on our YouTube channel, and of course it is monetizable, right? So that's another way to monetize it. So let me just copy this right here. This is the chorus. So I'm going to make the music and you're actually going to listen to it using AI, right? So, okay, perfect. This is the final chorus. You just have to copy this, head over to Suno. Then this lyrics section, paste in the lyrics. Now, this place that you see star, right? You can just put in the style of the music you want. For me, I'm just going to put Afrobeat, then melodious, dance. Then scroll down, you can see there's advanced option, but with this, you're good to go. All you have to do is to hit on this create button, right? You can click on create, but you actually need to have a plan on Suno AI for you to use these sounds commercially, like to use it on your videos. You need to have a plan on Suno AI. So let me click on create. So let's just wait for it to create the song. All right.
Friday night, everybody outside. She step in her room, feel the glow. Small waist, big smile, no this.
This song was made using AI right now. like in this video. So we can use the songs, add it to these our videos, and we can post it on YouTube, and the content can be monetized. So guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you have any questions, you can leave it down in the comment section, as I'm going to be replying each and every one of the comments. I'm going to be seeing the next video. Stay tuned and cheers.